It's cooking on Carrera with Chef Mike at the helm. Second best chili in Texas, flavor overwhelms. From gourmet kitchens, outdoors and in, on a tasty adventure, let's dive in. In the Villages, Florida, Chef Mike's the star, exploring kitchens near and far. Cooking on Carrera, come taste the delight, where flavor and flair make everything right. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah.
Cooking on Carrera is ZoopTube TV's first venture into producing original content from inside the villages with a cast and crew of villagers. A show that intertwines the art of cooking with an introspective exploration of life and transitions, the program centers on the host, a man navigating retirement while pursuing a passion project, cooking a decent bowl of Texas chili by first crafting an outdoor gourmet kitchen. Each episode offers a blend of culinary creativity and storytelling, showcasing his progress on the kitchen, his reflections on life's changes, and his culinary experiments in an outdoor setting. From tackling unexpected challenges in construction to reminiscing about life's pivotal moments or sharing a good meal with friends, Cooking on Carrera delivers a heartfelt narrative of self-discovery, resilience, and gastronomic delight. The series not only entertains with delicious recipes, but also inspires viewers to embrace new chapters in their lives. Let's check in now with Chef Mike Farrell, host of Cooking on Carrera, as he reviews the progress on his outdoor kitchen.
In Villages, Florida, where folks are fun and social.
Hello villagers, it's Tuesday, January 28th, and we're on a field trip today for Cooking on Carrera because it's Tuesday, it's Ladies Lake Farmers Market, delicious food and other stuff at the Ladies Lake Farmers Market. Let's go check it out.
I have homemade banana bread and homemade cookies. There's blueberry banana bread, chocolate chip, and plain. Very nice. Made from all recycled glassware, pottery. Very nice.
Morning, Rod, Tasha.
Hey, good morning. How are you doing today?
I would like to have a hot dog salad.
Your usual. Let me get it started.
Okay.
Looks like you've done this a time or two.
Couple of times.
How long you been cooking hot dogs?
It's been a little bit over a year now that we started the We're Still Wienery. And we're here on the Lady Lake Farmers Market every Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Weirsdale Wienery, that's a great name. Who came up with that?
It was actually a family effort. We have 2 kids, and my wife Tasha and I. We were pondering on what to call our hot dog cart, and we ended up with a wienery because just like a winery has different wines, we wanted to have a bunch of different wieners.
Awesome. Well, wieners and hot dogs are awesome. They're a lot of fun. So let's get into what you're doing here.
Well, we're making a hot dog salad for this man because he doesn't eat any bread. And I like to start that with putting some slices of tomato right on the tray. Couple slices of tomato. Basically like similar to a bunless Chicago dog.
Ah, the old. I've had the Chicago dog. It is awesome.
Well, you know, I used to travel a lot for work before I started this, and Chicago was one of the places that I visited, and that's where I learned how to make Chicago dogs.
Oh, they are great there.
It was just something very, very different that I've never seen before. And you know, I decided to bring it over here and start serving it to the people of the villages.
Also had the one with the potato sticks on top.
That is something that comes straight from Puerto Rico. I grew up having hot dogs with and with potato sticks and ketchup was my regular thing.
Crazy. It's I never thought of it. It's quite delicious.
It just gives it a crunch factor and a little bit of a saltiness. Also, you know, it's one of the things when you start serving hot dogs and you travel, you want to like try different types of hot dogs.
Oh yeah, new things.
Yeah, and when I went to Atlanta, they actually have coleslaw on top of the hot dogs.
Oh yeah, slaw dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, with the whole concept of the wienery, we just wanted to have as many different options available.
Oh.
So we have bratwurst, we have Polish sausage, we have breakfast sausage muffins, and of course a bunch of different types of hot dogs.
So what are your hours here again?
We are here every Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. in Lady Lake, right here in the Rolling Acres Sport Complex. And you can come every Tuesday from 9 to 2 and come check us out and a bunch of different vendors, the produce.
Oh, all the food here is really fresh and delicious.
Well, you know, this is all, you know, people that put all this together from all their local businesses, and they want to share it with the local community. So you can come here every Tuesday and come check us out, because there's everything from delicious sourdough to beef jerky, ranch dressings, and a bunch of good things over here.
But most important for this guy is the hot dogs.
Wieners.
We love the wieners.
This is the House of Wiener, the We're Still Wienery.
If it is Tuesday, it's hot dog day.
It's
Get on down here.
Wiener time.
It's cooking on Carrera with Chef Mike at the helm. Second best chili in Texas, flavor overwhelms. From gourmet kitchens, outdoors and in, on a tasty adventure, let's dive in. In the Villages, Florida, Chef Mike's the star, exploring kitchens near and far.
And that concludes this episode of Cooking on Carrera. Please check back often, because new episodes are coming soon. Thank you.
Everything right, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Soup to television, streaming on Roku, cooking with friends and maybe a joke or two. It's Cooking on Carrera with Chef Mike at the helm. Second best chili in Texas, his charm will overwhelm. On Soup to Television, classic, alive and local. In Villages, Florida, where folks are fun and social. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, Oh boy.
Olive, why did we
Stop
land
bugging
on
me,
this side of the
Constance.
fence?
Stop bugging me. You're bugging me.
You didn't stop
You're
and
bugging.
ask for
We made it for
directions.
life, but I don't know sometimes,
We're on the wrong
Constance.
side, Olive.
Stop pushing my buttons. We made it for life, Constance. So who is this guy?
I could have been in Marco Island instead of up here in the villages with you, Irv.
For life, Constance. That means you and me, not you, me, and this guy. Who is this guy? What is this guy doing here? I don't like this guy. This guy needs to go right now. Get out of here. Scram, beat it. You leave the moose.
My name is Terry, and I'm from Hilton Head. My mate for life, Gary, is somewhere around here. I've been squawking for him, but he doesn't squawk back. He's a terrible squawker.
I could have mated for life with Harvey Winklestein, and we'd be
Gary!
in Marco Island.
Gary, it's me,
Marco
Terry.
Island.
Where are you?
Snowbird traffic. Everywhere these snowbirds.
I could be in Marco instead
These
of
snowbirds
here.
really jam things up down here. Oh, make it tough for us year-rounders down here, these snowbirds. Not loving the snowbirds. Funniest looking birds I've ever seen. Weird looking birds, these snowbirds.
Do you respect me, Olive?
Wait a minute. Where did this old footage go? Hey, look, Constance, it's footage from our trip down to New Orleans. Oh, that was a great trip. Oh, remember that? Oh, look how young I was. Oh, so athletic. Oh, still had my build and what a. Oh, hey. Hey, ho, look at the stems on. Oh, that was you back in the day, babe. What a set of stems on you. I made it for life with that young thing.
Well, you do care about me. We have mated for life.
In the villages down by the shore, Irv and Constance are at it once more. They squawk, they sass, they ruffle some feathers, but somehow they're always still together. Irv, you know, but somehow they're always still together.
Oh boy.